So, you've been crushing on this guy for a while, and you're not sure if he feels the same way. You want to get him to like you, but are clueless as to how to exactly go about it. As women, we sometimes get stuck in this mentality that you must wait for a guy to approach you. Act modest, blah blah blah. Well, it's 2019, and last time we checked, women can definitely take initiative without seeming desperate. Here are our top 3 ways to turn up the heat on your crush to get him to take notice and get him in your corner. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to join us here at Everything Women. Stay tuned for a bonus tip. Number 1. Give him a compliment. Boost his ego a little. Take a shot in the dark and give him a compliment.
Great job, Troubles. You guys killed it.
Thank you.
Everyone enjoys a little ego boost every now and then. Just whatever you do, make sure you don't overdo it. Don't make it weird and just tell him all the time that his haircut is nice. Newsflash, we do not want to look psycho or desperate. Take it easy, make it light, say your compliment, and keep it casually moving. If you do this every other time you see him, he will be sure to take notice and possibly even compliment you back. Number 2, mirror his gestures. Basically, with this tip, you're going to play copycat with him, just for a little while.
Here come the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Big up the queen of the area. Still love you like that. No, we don't die area.
Maybe mimic every other gesture of his. This gives the illusion that you all have so much in common and are on the same page with your thoughts. It's scientifically proven that this draws the person closer to you. Number 3, eye contact. Now don't just stare at him awkwardly, but definitely stare long enough to let him know you see him. Your look should say, "I see you, boy," without looking crazy. Gazing at someone sends energy their way, so even if they aren't looking your way, they will still feel you staring, and most likely, your eyes will eventually lock. Once you catch his eye, don't stare again. Occupy yourself so you won't look like you're sweating him too much. Play it cool, sit back, and wait for his approach. Bonus tip. Ask him for favors. Even the simplest favor will make him take notice. This is known as the Ben Franklin effect, where they subconsciously make themselves believe that we would do the same thing for them. It's classic reverse psychology that will surprisingly work out in your favor. Don't forget to enter our giveaway by subscribing to our channel and turning on post notifications. We will announce the winner when we reach 100 subscribers. And that's 3 tips in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching.